Hi friends, in this video we will see 4 respectful requestive patterns that are useful in daily life. Gostaria de, I would like to. We use this pattern to show our kind desire or to order something kindly and respectfully. Queria, I would like or I would like to, is the same as Gostaria de and it is another way to make a request. Deve is used for solid or strong commands or work that should be done. Quero, I want, is a straightforward way to express desire. We discuss these patterns with real-life examples. Let's start with Gostaria de. I would like to.
Gostaria de tomar café. I would like to have a coffee. Gostaria de tomar café contigo. I would like to have a coffee with you. Gostaria de fazer uma pergunta. I would like to ask a question. Remember this pattern, gostaria de. We use this pattern to express polite or hypothetical desire. Gostaria de. Let's see some more examples. Gostaria de saber o seu nome. I would like to know your name. Gostaria de fazer uma pausa. I would like to have a break. Gostaria de saber mais sobre este assunto. I would like to know more about this subject. Gostaria de conhecer pessoas novas. I would like to meet new people. Gostaria de comer frango grelhado esta noite. I would like to eat grilled chicken this night. Gostaria de ter uma marcação. I would like to have an appointment. How can you say that I would like to learn Portuguese? Write in comment.
Queria, I would like or I would like to. Queria café, por favor. I would like a coffee, please. Queria pagar com cartão. I would like to pay by card. Remember this pattern. Queria plus object or queria plus base verb or infinitive form of the verb plus object. And we use this form to express or to order anything very kindly and with high respect. If you are employee of a restaurant or a cafe, maybe you have heard this word lots of time. This pattern helps us to request something kindly and with a very good manner. For example, in restaurant, if a waiter asks you, "Está pronto para fazer o pedido?" Are you ready to order? You can simply answer or you can simply order by saying, "Queria prato de frango grelhado." I would like a plate of grilled chicken. Let's see some more examples. Queria uma mesa para 2 pessoas. I would like a table for 2. After eating in the restaurant, you can say that "Queria a conta, por favor." I would like the bill, please. Then when it's time to pay, you can simply say that "Queria pagar com cartão." I would like to pay by card. Queria pagar com cartão. If you want to order a chicken pizza, then you can simply say "Queria pedir pizza de frango." I would like to order chicken pizza. Remember this pattern "queria" to order or to request something very kindly and in a good manner. Now, how can you say that "I would like to dance with you"? write in comment. Deve ser. It should be. Deve ser limpo. It should be cleaned. Deve ser aberto. It should be opened. Deve ser escrito. It should be written. Remember this pattern to express strong recommendation, strong suggestion, or strong obligation that should be done. Let's see some examples. A mesa deve ser limpa sempre. The table should be cleaned always. A mesa deve ser limpa. A porta deve ser fechada depois de abrir. The door should be closed after being opened. A porta deve ser fechada. A janela deve ser aberta todos os dias. The window should be opened every day. A janela deve ser aberta. A conta deve ser paga até ao final do mês. The bill should be paid before the last of this month. A conta deve ser paga. A comida deve ser cozida bem. The food must be well cooked. A comida deve ser cozida. We use deve ser to make strong assumption as well. Ele deve ser o novo professor. Or ele deve ser o professor novo. He must be the new teacher. Este deve ser o livro que estás a procurar. This should be a book that you are looking for. Este deve ser o livro. O documento deve ser escrito em português. The document must be written in Portuguese. Remember this pattern and use it whenever you need. Quero. I want. Eu quero pizza. I want pizza. Eu quero comer pizza. I want to eat pizza. If I compare these two sentences, in first sentence I say that I want pizza. Eu quero pizza. In second sentence, eu quero comer pizza. That means I want to eat pizza. If you want to say something you want, you just say eu quero and the object that you want. Eu quero trabalho. I want work. Eu quero telemóvel. I want mobile phone. Eu quero quarto. I want a room, and so on. Here we use eu quero and then any object that we want. Eu quero plus object, right? If you want to say some action you want to do, then you say eu quero and then another verb or the action verb. Here we use quero as a modal verb. Eu quero trabalhar. I want to work. Eu quero comprar telemóvel. I want to buy a mobile phone. Eu quero vender o meu telemóvel. I want to sell my mobile phone. Here, the vender is an action verb and I use quero as a modal verb. Eu quero falar. I want to speak. Eu quero ir. I want to go. So if we use another verb immediately after the verb querer, then the verb quero is a modal verb and it says some action you want to do. Remember here, the next verb which we use as an action verb should be in infinitive form. Eu quero vender, not eu quero vendo. Eu quero vender o meu telemóvel. Eu quero caminhar. I want to walk. Eu quero beber. I want to drink. So make it simple. If you want to say something you want, use eu quero and then object. And if you want to say some action you want to do, eu quero, then verb infinitive form, and then whatever you want to add on. Eu quero livro. I want a book. Eu quero estudar. I want to study. It is like in English to say I want and I want to. If you want to say I want, just say eu quero and the object you want. If you want to say I want to, then that means you have to say eu quero and action verb. That should be in infinitive form. I want to do some action. Now, how can you say that I want to learn with Ivana? Write in comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and you have already pressed the like button. Press the bell icon to get the new videos as they published. I am sure you have already subscribed to our channel, and if not, please subscribe to our channel. Always remember to share this video if you find this useful for you and believe that it will be useful for others as well.